Still taking pills for cold and cough? This natural combo works faster and it's in your kitchen. Here's why you should mix honey plus ginger the next time you're sick. Soothes sore throat. Ginger reduces inflammation, and honey coats your throat like a natural shield. 2 breaks up mucus. This combo clears congestion and makes breathing easier. 3 boosts immunity. Packed with antioxidants, it helps your body fight infections naturally. Just mix 1 TSP of grated ginger with 1 TBSP of raw honey. Take it twice a day. Sick of being sick? Try the Honey Plus Ginger Fix. Like, share and follow for daily health hacks.